How to customize the app's icons on the home screen for a smaller or larger size on the iPhone 16 series. Now, at the moment on my home screen, the icons on my home screen are larger. So if you want to customize it so that it can be smaller or larger, what you want to do is swipe up at the bottom to return back to your home screen. And on the home screen, touch and hold, then tap on the edit button at the top. Now from the pop-up, tap on customize, then at the top here, tap on small if you want to make this icons smaller. If you want to increase the size of the icons and widget, you can choose large. So this will increase or decrease the size of the icons on the home screen. And that's it. After that, you can tap anywhere on the home screen to save the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.